everyone, it's Board Fam, and today I'm showing you the MyCloud Home. This is by Western Digital, and it's a personal cloud system. So this came about because I said to Thunder E, I'm almost out of storage on my external hard drive. I think I have 1 million pictures. I have no idea how many I have. And I also use every backup system and for different reasons, and I just needed to organize it. So he said this will be perfect. So what does it do? This really is going to consolidate all of your backups, give you extra space for storage, and you can access it whenever you need to, pretty much. But this is the 4 terabyte version. They come in 2 terabyte to 16 terabyte, and this is the single drive, and it does come in dual drive. 4 terabytes should be perfect for me. This particular item is $199. So what did you have to do? This really comes with a very simple setup. You have the drive, you have the power cord, Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Very simple. Right on the quick start guide, you have your specific key code for this item. So what do? You just simply plug it into the power source, plug it into your router with the Ethernet cable, and then you are able to get everything started. Go right to the MyCloud home page, and you're going to go ahead and create your login and enter your device. So it's going to connect all of that, and then you now have your backup. So what would you like to back up? You could back up any number of items from your other backup cloud solutions like Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Photos, Google Drive, and Facebook. I mean, I don't know how many folders on Facebook, and now they are all in one place. So that was a key for me. But you can also do Plex and also network import. So if you have a lot of items from another network, you can do that as well. It even has an if this then that set up for other programs, such as a security camera. So if there's a certain motion, it will automatically back up to your MyCloud drive. So again, setup was very simple. You simply plug everything in. That external hard drive that I simply plugged it into the MyCloud, and it recognized, just as if you're plugging in a camera to your PC and it asks you, do you want to import everything? You'll get a notification saying, do you want to import everything from this new device? Yes. That took about 2 days. 2 days worth to back up. I think it was probably close to 700 gigabytes of data on that drive. So it did take a little bit. It was a little bit longer than I thought, but given the amount of data, that can be expected. So once you have everything synced and you have everything coordinated and you chose what you wanted to back up, you can also set certain security parameters. You can do fingerprint or a passcode to get into to an app. So it does run on a phone app and on the PC. So for the app, that's where I did come into a couple of little glitches here and there, or I have a few recommendations with regular daily use. So let's get into the app a little bit. But aside from that, I think it was really pretty seamless to set up. So you can see here, it still says MyCloud, but it's the MyCloud Home app. So I did set a passcode right here, and let's go get out of the setup. Let's see here. So your default screen are your files. So you can see you have the MyCloud Home, and these are folders that I've either created or done a backup on. So again, you can see quite a few other cloud systems that are backed up here, and then other folders that I've created myself. And then here you see the external hard drive. So that is the one that took about 2 days to back up. So now all of my folders from my external hard drive, takes a second to load. That is OneNote. It does seem to take quite a bit for the app to refresh each page. Here we go. The app, it's a pretty standard setup if you've used quite a few other cloud systems, so you have folders and whatnot. What I would love to see is a better sync update. So when I went ahead and did a backup, say for example on the pictures, when I had it on the Samsung, it would say auto backup complete, but I didn't see all of the pictures on the phone. So the app, I think, is having a little bit of speed issues and syncing. So that's really number one. Number two, what kinds of notifications? So if you take a look, don't need that, you can see 2 of the notifications here. MyCloud Home Backup, it has 124 remaining. I think that's to this device. from this device. I have it set up on a couple of different ones. And then it also tells me when something is complete. My Cloud. Import completed for Facebook and can be accessed. Blah, blah, blah. So I love that it notifies us here, but we don't have any status bar inside the app. You can take a look here you can slide from activity to your files, back to the default. Photos, here we go. You can see you can click on all. This is a way you can sort of filter a little bit and see what you've been doing as far as backup, photos, or videos. Click over to settings, that's your next option. I'm not going to invite any users. Manage services, if you click on that, let's see here. That's if you want to go ahead and connect your Plex, import from a network. Let's go back. If this, then that. If you want to configure your security camera, your other home, smart home, cloud and import, and social and cloud import. You click configure. It isn't inside the app to configure that. As soon as you click on that, it brings you right over to the web page, and that's when you automatically click on, do you want to back up Facebook? Actions, you can easily do a search here. You can add files to a particular folder. Again, the My Cloud Home is working fabulously syncing with all, but the mobile app isn't necessarily reflecting it in real time, that is. And I think the notifications need a little bit of improvement so you know where they're going. I thought I was done and I still had another 96 pictures to back up. So that really is the guts of it. It was such a straightforward setup and a fabulous solution for me. I would highly recommend it for anyone who needs to organize all of their files and especially pictures. I really don't know what the count is, but it has to be a million pictures, I would say. So this is BoardFam signing off, and see you soon.